Mini crawler dumpers are suitable for construction, water conservancy, road construction, mines, for concrete, sand, earthwork, etc. It can be also used for short-distance transportation of various bulk materials. Dumper Mini is equipped with hydraulic brake, and the brake is stable, safe and reliable. Hopper adopts gravity discharge, and the impact block-type mechanical return hopper. The discharge and return hopper are reliable. Mini dumper truck adopts direct gear shifting, which is easy and reliable.